Boxing is one of the best sports, and you can start training anywhere, anytime, even without fancy equipment or a gym. While going to a gym helps you improve faster and more effectively, you can still get better at home, but not with the same efficiency as with the right equipment. This guide will show you how to train boxing at home without messing up your form or techniques, while improving your stamina as well. Here's how you become a pro boxer. Building stamina. First, you need to build your stamina. Boxing is exhausting, especially for beginners. If you to last long in the ring or in any fighting situation, you must increase your stamina in order to not gas out just after just a few punches or few movements. You can't do anything if you run out of stamina, so it is very important to build your stamina. Many new boxers get tired quickly and might even quit after their first session. To avoid this, you need to build your stamina. Start by running 1 to 5 miles, gradually increasing the distance. Running improves your breathing and lung function, which is crucial for boxing. Aim to run 2 to 4 times a week. Running and sprinting is one of the best way to build your stamina and speed. Personally, I really hate running because I hate going out of breath. It feels so suffocating. I hate the pain that I get on the lower edge of my ribcage while running. But I have to do it. There are so many things I don't like doing. But I do it anyways. You must keep this in your mind, that you have to suffer. You have to endure pain to make a change. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. This is a quote said by one of the best boxer in history, Muhammad Ali. Once you have some stamina, start obliterating a bag, go lethal with your punches, hit as hard as you possibly can. You have to endure a lot of pain to make your fists stronger, which is really important to throw stronger punches and start shadowboxing to improve your technique and endurance. Focus on full-body stamina exercises, like explosive squats and lunges for your legs. If squats are too easy for you, try weighted squats by holding a heavy plate or a weighted bag, and make sure to give your body proper rest. Because rest is really essential for your body. If you don't get proper sleep, your body will not recover quickly, resulting in inefficient sessions which can inevitably hurt your progress rate, so make sure to get your sleep. Mastering footwork. Mastering footwork in boxing is crucial for both offense and defense. Good footwork allows you to maintain balance, control distance, and create angles for effective strikes. By constantly moving, you can evade your opponent's punches and position yourself to deliver powerful counters. Shadowboxing, agility ladder exercises, and sparring are essential for developing quick, precise, and strategic foot movements. With excellent footwork, you become a more elusive target and a more formidable opponent, giving you a significant advantage in the ring or in any scenario where you're fighting anyone. Use a tape or a towel on the floor to mark a line. Place your lead foot slightly in front and your back foot on the other side of the line. Practice moving forward, backward, and pivoting without crossing your legs. Do this consistently, and your body will naturally adapt to it, and you will become more proficient in footwork. Jumping rope is a great way to improve your footwork and coordination. It's used by every boxer in history for a reason. This simple exercise helps you become quicker and more agile, both crucial in the ring. Regular jump rope routines can make your movement smoother and more efficient by improving your timing and rhythm. Plus, it boosts your endurance, strengthens your heart, and tones your legs and core. Whether you're just starting out or have been boxing for years, jumping rope is a must-have exercise for developing the quick, precise footwork that helps you outmaneuver your opponents. Ladder drills are great for improving your agility. You can buy an agility ladder or make one with tape on the ground. Practice different footwork drills like high knees, side shuffles, and quick steps regularly. This will help you get faster and more coordinated. Regularly doing these drills will boost your balance, timing, and reaction time. They're easy to add to any workout and can help with any sport or fitness goal. Bag work. If you can afford a heavy bag, it's a great tool for practicing punches and combinations, helping you build power and improve your technique. But if a heavy bag is out of your budget, don't worry. You can make your own using things like a car tire or a bag of rice filled with clothes. These homemade options might not be as perfect as a store-bought heavy bag, but they still let you practice your punches and get stronger. Whether you use a professional bag or a DIY one, what matters most is practicing regularly and staying dedicated. Shadowboxing. Shadowboxing is crucial for improving your form and technique. It allows you to practice without any equipment, making it accessible anytime and anywhere. Start by standing in front of a mirror to observe and correct your movements. Practice different combinations and defensive movements, focusing on perfecting each punch. Begin with basic punches like the jab, cross, hook, and uppercut, ensuring you throw them with proper form. Once you're comfortable with individual punches, start integrating combinations like jab, cross, hook, and jab, cross, uppercut. This will help you develop fluidity and coordination. As you progress, add defensive techniques like rolling under punches and slipping to the side. These movements not only enhance your reflexes, but also improve your ability to avoid incoming strikes. Incorporate footwork into your shadowboxing sessions to mimic real fight scenarios. Practice moving forward, backward, and sideways while maintaining your balance and stance. Visualize an opponent in front of you and react to their imagined attacks, combining offense and defense seamlessly. Consistent shadowboxing will significantly boost your overall boxing skills, making you more prepared for actual sparring and matches. Core training. A strong core is vital for boxing, as it provides the necessary stability and power for your punches and defensive maneuvers. Many boxing classes start or end with core exercises, emphasizing their importance in overall conditioning. To build a solid core, you can incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine. Begin with crunches, a fundamental exercise that targets the upper abdominal muscles. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground, squeezing your abs as you rise. Lower back down with control and repeat to failure. Next, add Russian twists to work your oblique muscles, which are crucial for rotational movements in boxing. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet slightly elevated. Hold a weight or a medicine ball with both hands and twist your torso to the left and right, touching the weight to the floor on each side. This exercise enhances your ability to generate power through your torso, improving the effectiveness of your punches. Leg raises are another excellent exercise for strengthening your lower abdominal muscles. Grab onto a bar or any type of ceiling with your legs straight and lift your legs up to make a L shape. Slowly lower them back down, maintaining tension in your abs throughout the movement. If you can't do leg raises, start with knee raises. That is easier to do, and when that becomes too easy for you, then slowly switch to doing proper leg raises. In addition to these exercises, consider including planks into your routine. Planks are an isometric exercise that engages your entire core. Start in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core to prevent your hips from sagging. Hold this position for as long as you can, gradually increasing the duration as you build strength. If planks are too easy for you, then start doing side planks. Performing these core exercises regularly will not only enhance your stability and power in the ring, but also improve your overall athletic performance. The best part is that you don't need a lot of equipment to get started. With just a mat and some dedication, you can develop a strong, resilient core that will support you in all your boxing endeavors. Strength and conditioning. Strength and conditioning are key for boxing because they help you perform better and punch harder. Strength training, like lifting weights, builds your muscles, making your punches more powerful and helping you stay balanced. Conditioning exercises, such as running or jumping rope, boost your stamina, so you can keep going strong throughout the fight. Agility drills improve your speed and quickness, which are crucial for dodging and landing effective punches. Core exercises like crunches and planks strengthen your midsection, which is essential for stability and control. Flexibility exercises keep you limber, allowing for better movement and effective footwork. Together, these workouts make you stronger, faster, and more prepared for the ring. Home workouts. Do push-ups with a backpack for added resistance. Use a bag for bicep curls and lateral raises. If you have access to a gym, even better. Invest in a door frame pull-up bar and a weighted vest to work out multiple muscle groups. Key exercises. Focus on exercises like bench press, pull-ups, squats, and tricep dips. Burpees are also excellent since they target almost all muscle groups. Learning defense is as important as offense in boxing. Start by learning how to move without making mistakes, then focus on blocking punches. Blocking techniques. To block a hook, place your hand like you're picking up a call and move your head slightly. For uppercuts, crouch down and keep your hands close together. To block a jab or cross, keep one hand in front of your face. Improve your head movement using a slip line. Thai boxing wraps across a room to practice slipping and rolling. A slip bag can also help you enhance your head movement. Knowledge and observation. Watching fights and training videos can help you learn techniques and strategies. Spend a few minutes a day watching professional fights on YouTube to observe and learn from the best. Consistency and recovery. Consistency is key to becoming a better boxer. Keep training and make sure to rest and recover properly. Nutrition and good sleep are also crucial for your progress. Here's a quick rundown of your home boxing training routine. Start with running to build stamina. Practice your stance and footwork. Focus on defense and head movement. Shadowbox to perfect your form. Use a heavy bag, if you have one. Incorporate strength and conditioning exercises. Learn by watching professional fights and training videos. Train consistently and you'll see improvement. Give your body time to recover and fuel it with proper nutrition. With dedication and hard work, you can become a great boxer, even from home. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Remember, if I die, it wasn't an accident. Follow man's hubs.